If you're injured in Missouri, you need a qualified and experienced Missouri workers' compensation lawyer. And that lawyer needs to explain to you the process of Missouri workers' compensation. Today, we're going to talk to you about some of the terms in workers' compensation that may be unfamiliar to you. So I'm here with my associate, Jason Hackett, and the first topic is going to be temporary total disability, or TTD. Please explain what TTD is.
TTD is also known as temporary total disability. Essentially, this is the lost wages that you're entitled to for the injury incurred and the time you missed from work. In the state of Missouri, you're entitled to 2/3 of your average weekly wage.
Right, so it's capped. The amount of money that you get while you're off work is capped. You don't get the first 3 days unless you miss 2 weeks, and then you get cheated. You only get 2/3. And what is PPD?
PPD is also known as permanent partial disability, and this is essentially the lump sum you're entitled to at the resolution of your claim.
That's right. So it's tax-free money to you, and it's based on this meat chart that determines the value of each of your levels of disability. So if you have carpal tunnel, your risk is worth 175 weeks. And if you get a 10% PPD, which is low, that would be 17.5 weeks. We try to get much more than that, but that's just so you see the math. PTD is permanent total disability. And for that, you need a vocational expert as well as a doctor to say that you are basically unemployable. It's a different standard than unemployment. It's a different standard than Social Security disability. It's a unique animal in Missouri called permanent and total disability. I've won many of these cases over the last 30 years by trial. You have to have excellence in representation to win permanent total disability in Missouri, but we can help.
It's very important that you get the 3 benefits to which you're entitled in the state of Missouri: temporary total disability or lost wages, authorized medical care, and permanent partial disability.
If the insurance company tries to cheat you on those things, and they will, please call us. I'm Mark Cantor. We will represent you, and we won't leave any money on the table.